Welcome to another episode of Fat Guy Fixer Upper. So today I'm going to be grabbing a sub pump, dragging it down the basement stairs, and dragging it into this door because there's a bucket of water that needs to be drained from the air conditioner. And I'll explain the rest later as I'm doing it. So enjoy the show because it's going to be messy. Well, welcome back. So this is the door to my basement, and it's the outside world. Holy crap! Well, anyways, my basement is currently under construction. So I already dragged sub pump somewhat down here. I have it sitting on the steps, and I guess the water there is from the rainfall yesterday. So I'm going to drag this sump pump into this door over here that you saw in the background in the intro. And I got to drain the water up out of the basement. So I guess enjoy watching me do it. Millipedes everywhere, millions of them. And everything's muddy. Peachy. Well, I'm tracking mud everywhere. But okay. I'm going to drag this thing on over. Ugh. Perhaps I should have worn gloves. Oh well. Lovely. Close this a little so the bugs don't come in. All right. Drag this sucker on over. Getting kinks in the hose. All right, drop this in the water. So, if you can see this pipe right here, okay? The pipe's going into the bucket because we don't have the drainage pipe going out yet. And so, the water from the air conditioner is running to this bucket for now. In a later episode, I'll be installing the actual drainage pipe outside so that way the water doesn't come down here and flood. And you can see in this basement, it needs a lot of work. The whole basement's under construction and I need to clean it up. But for now, I'm just going to drain this water. Extension cord plugged in the wall. And this, and I'm going to plug it in. Here I go. I'm about to get electrocuted. I just know it. Nope. What the cables ain't going in? What? Oh, there we go. Yes, drain. There's some leaks in the pipe, or hose. Oh well. Yeah. Sadly, I've been having to do this every 2 days because it's that freaking humid. All right, it's almost gone. All right, unplug it. Sadly, it can't suck all the water out, but close enough. Yeah, let it drip off a bit so I don't get all the water on the floor. And I'll pull it on out. Okay. All right. All right. Still got water in it. Oops. You didn't hear that. All right. Yeah. Oh, crap. It's peeing more. Oh. All right. Get this thing out of here. All right. All right. I just got to close up the door. Uh-oh. You guys are curious. I have this millipede problem. I've literally killed thousands and thousands. And I know you can't see under that steps over there, but there's probably literally mounds and mounds of millipedes. And I just sprayed it only a month ago with, I forgot what the heck it's called. I got off Amazon. And it actually works really good. But in a future episode, I need to fix up this entryway so that way it doesn't have water, dirt. And I'm going to put some stuff on the walls to make them white, stuff like that. But that's going to be in the future. So, wasn't that an amazing, exciting episode of me pumping water out of my basement? Yeah, probably wasn't that very interesting, but this is the things I do around my house. Now, that sadly is what I got to do until I get the air conditioner drainage line hooked up to the outside. So, as you can see from just this video alone, there's a lot of work to be done around this house. So, if you want to help me out, like and subscribe, because just 2 clicks makes my life a heck of a lot easier and encourages me to keep doing this stuff and trying to fix my house up. So, I'll see you in the next video.